Welcome back to the vibrant heart of McNair Road in District 12. Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee AAG, and as someone who calls this remarkable neighbourhood home, I can attest to its unique blend of serenity and urban convenience. McNair Road offers an exclusive retreat within the city, balancing peaceful living with ultimate accessibility. McNair Towers, a standout premium BTO project from 2017, is renowned for its eye-catching design and expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, providing panoramic views and a flood of natural light. This is modern living at its finest. Today, I'm thrilled to present this extraordinary 4-room corner unit on one of the highest floors of 113A McNair Towers. From the moment you step inside, you'll experience the perfect harmony of brightness and breeze, all enhanced by an unobstructed, awe-inspiring city view. As you enter, you'll be welcomed by refined natural oak cabinetry that ingeniously conceals the household shelter door and offers additional shoe storage with a mirror front. This elegant oak paneling sets a warm and inviting tone for the entire home. The half-open concept kitchen, separated by full glass doors and bifold windows, is ideal for both entertaining and everyday use. It features durable walnut-tone countertops, abundant cabinetry, a robust hob and hood, a double sink, open shelves with a glass backsplash, and a fridge panel for a seamless built-in look. The classic steel blue and walnut tones perfectly balance functionality and style. Adjacent to the kitchen is a spacious and pristine yard. In the living room, you'll find the same refined natural oak paneling with concealed floor-to-ceiling storage, perfect for books and everyday items. A feature wall with full shelving and a floating TV console enhances the sleek, cozy ambience. The full-height windows frame spectacular unblocked city views, bathing the room in natural light and inviting a refreshing breeze. The dining area features a mahogany 6-seater table, ideal for gatherings, with a view into the kitchen. There's ample space for a customized sideboard table to display art and mementos, and this area can potentially seat up to 10 people. The decor throughout the house is classic, with creamy walls, natural oak finishings, and timeless teak furniture. A standout feature is the flooring. The neutral-coloured ceramic tiles have been meticulously regrouted to provide a seamless marble-like finish, ensuring a sophisticated and pristine look for years to come. The master bedroom exudes refinement, with impeccable parquet wood flooring, an L-shaped 4-panel wardrobe, and ample space for a king bed, dresser, or study table. This rare corner window offers panoramic, unblocked views and infuses the room with natural light, significantly enhancing its appeal. The master bathroom is a luxurious haven with a large mirror, ample storage, a separate glass shower screen, and cozy ambient lighting, all in pristine condition. The common bedrooms are equally appealing, providing space for queen beds, large wardrobes, and additional furniture. One bedroom is set up as a study, while the other features a built-in wardrobe in impeccable condition. This home stands as a testament to exceptional upkeep, showcasing beautiful neutral flooring and a chic open-concept kitchen. The built-in features are in pristine condition, allowing new owners to enjoy a move-in ready space with minimal need for updates or renovation. This location is unrivaled for convenience and connectivity. You're just a 3-minute walk from Boon Keng MRT on the Northeast Line, offering effortless access to 5 other MRT lines. It's just 3 stops to Dhoby Ghaut, 3 stops to the Circle Line, and 2 stops to the downtown line. This efficient transport link makes commuting a breeze, whether to CBD, Orchard Road or other major hubs. Drivers will appreciate the proximity to the PIE and CTE. Residents here enjoy ultimate convenience with a 24-hour supermarket at your doorstep. Nearby Bendemeer Mall and Market offer diverse food options. Our unit is also adjacent to the picturesque Sungai Wangpo and Wangpo Park connector, providing green spaces for a refreshing escape from the city bustle. There are 10 preschool centres within walking distance, and primary schools like Hong Wen, Bendemeer Primary and St. Andrews Junior within 1 to 2 kilometres. It's been a pleasure showing you this remarkable home. It exemplifies the best of both worlds, quiet elegance and modern convenience. With stunning city views and thoughtfully designed interiors, it offers unparalleled living comfort. The blend of tranquility and accessibility here is unmatched. I'm excited for you to experience this exceptional home in person and discover how it can be the perfect backdrop for your next chapter. I look forward to helping you find your perfect home. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to feature your home next. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.